Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. This customer was complaining about noise and shaking while driving.
Good.
This Nissan Altima was just repossessed and was being checked for transmission issues when the engine locked up on a test drive. The mechanics went to drain the oil and were greeted with this.
A little sludgy, boys. A little sludgy.
This customer's car would dump fuel whenever the passenger door was opened.
That's not good.
Okay. Looks like an all-wheel drive to me. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, something's missing. Wait a minute. What the hell? Bruh. All-wheel drive. Incredible.
This Jeep Wrangler's transfer case absolutely grenaded itself. I don't think that JB Welds is going to cut it this time.
We go from there, and none of it fell out. It was just laying in there. Maybe that's what the rubber thing was done somewhere.
Customer states, "My bike doesn't run right." Looks like it was the perfect time for a rebuild.
That's bad. That's real bad.
Don't point fingers, man.
Back and forth.
Alright, you gotta check this. Master cylinder. What the hell is that? Oh my goodness.
Customerstates. Icon does the cool. Yeah.
This is why mechanics hate doing heater core replacements.
T-case. Like, bro, I'm not even replacing this tire. Boss says he'll come back. I fucking just cut my hand open on it.
This Camry has a crazy 450,000 miles, but unfortunately, as you can hear, has started running terribly. One of the spark plug's holes was completely full of oil, but after a new timing belt, it is back to running completely fine.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.